Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited today to share with you a junk journal kit that I have recently put together, and it is available in my Etsy shop. So I added some of my safety pins that I did some fabric on, some altered safety pins. These two have fabric. That one has a dangle. These two are done with cardstock, and I've got words and buttons and jute and little dangles on them. So you get four safety pins, three paper clips, one safety pin, ready to attach to your journal page. Then you get this jumbo paper clip made out of this velour-like fabric with the beads that I did at the bottom. And you get two of my belly bands that I have recently made. You just glue the edges down. They can be vertical or horizontal, doesn't matter, however you want to glue them down. You get two of my little coin envelopes that I've been making. These are just so much fun to make. Oh my goodness. Here is a fabric envelope that has the little cam snap, the little plastic snap. This is one of those grassland fiber pieces, wallpaper pieces actually. And I made an envelope out of it, and I just wrapped this jute around it and put a beaded dangle there. You get this pocket. You can have a pocket behind, a pocket here, or you can do it on the side according to how you glue it down. You get this corner pocket that has this mini journal inside, ready to go. You get this corner pocket. It's got a pocket here, pocket here. You get this pocket here and here. And you get this pocket. It's got some lace on it. And you get this pocket. All of this is going to come in this kit. It is ready to go. All you've got to do is add your journal pages and your cover, or if you already have a journal, all you got to do is attach these in. You can stitch them in, you can glue them in, however you want to do it. Makes a wonderful Christmas gift for anybody who is crafty or loves to journal or loves paper crafts and junk journaling, but maybe they just don't have time to sit down and create all these embellishments themselves. So anyway, like I said, it is available in my Etsy shop. I thank you for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.